I've been talking to myself. Hello, your dynamics. I've been talking to myself. Oh. Hello, your How are you? How are you? Good evening. Happy it's Sunday, right? Happy Sunday. Today is AZ-900, right?
Yes.
AKA Azure. Azure. Sounds like a really nice name. I'm really
Azure,
curious how they come up with an Azura.
I don't know.
A lot of the AZs. But anywho's, hope you are doing well. Not really here. I'm not sure if you really are here. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Is this a question from yesterday or is this an actual question?
Yeah,
from yesterday.
So let's just dive into today's question.
Your dynamics. I don't think I saw you yesterday. Is it because you don't like AWS? Is that it? Today is Microsoft Azure AZ-900 exam domain 1 for the welcome Polly, for the individuals that are planning on taking the exam. If you're taking it already, or if you're planning on taking it, this is supposed to gauge where you are. And if you have taken it already, just a refresher course, you're more than welcome to give your expertise on the knowledge for the rest of us that are not, planning on taking it ever.
It's highly welcome.
Yeah, so this is a part of his multi-cloud series of where he tells people it's best to know AWS and Azure. But anyway, as we have joined, any guesses to the answer?
So with the with the Microsoft AZ-900 specifically, and that's what I've taken. That's the only Azure certification I've
taken.
Okay. Yeah, for this specific certification, the questions looks a little easier than the AWS.
What about Cloud Plus?
I was comparing apples to apples, so cloud specific versus cloud specific.
Oh, okay.
But the Cloud Plus, it's a little difficult in its own way. But yeah, I'm just comparing Azure to
welcome BrainX 360.
Azure to AWS.
How are you?
Good question.
Oh.
Is it too small?
No, it looks okay on my end.
Let me see. Let me just try to. Let's just take this out. I don't really need this. And then let's maximize it
a little. Okay. BrainX, how are you?
Yeah, so everything looks good.
Okay, awesome.
Alright, so with the AZ-900, most of the questions are yes or no's.
Oh, really?
I know. Most of it are yes or no. So it's a little easier.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's a little easier. But
so then if it's an easy exam, why do people need to take it then?
I mean,
welcome, Amanda.
I didn't say it's easy. It's easy. It's
I mean, yes or no questions. Yes or no questions equate to easy, no?
Not really. It's basically you know it or you don't know. That's it. Right?
Okay.
You wouldn't be giving the process of elimination. I'm gonna take this 2 out and then no. It's either yes or no.
BrainX is saying they don't like the CCP where you have to know the services. The CCP is what we did yesterday.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. You still need to know the services, right? You still need to know the services.
But it's not vendor specific.
No, Azure is vendor specific.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
That's Microsoft. It's vendor specific. However, the way they frame their question, either you know or you don't know. That's it, right? You can't do process of elimination. Let me just select. Not really, but some of the questions have multiple choices. Right?
Okay. Welcome, Raheem.
Yeah, what I've realized is most of it is yes or no.
Okay.
And if they ask you yes or no, so let's say they're asking a specific question that the answer might be, let's say, software as a service. They're going to ask you the question 3 different times.
Oh,
right?
In different ways.
In different ways, right? So let's say, okay, you would need to use software as a service, right? And then they will tell that, hey, the user is going to use infrastructure as a service, yes or no? And then the next one will say the user is going to use platform as a service, yes or no.
Okay.
And then now they give you the actual correct one,
answer.
Yes or no.
Okay.
Yeah. So.
Anyway, welcome,
So
Lucky
that
Charms.
is,
All right.
that's
So,
what I've
what's the
seen
answer?
with,
So, I'm
nothing?
sorry. Oh no. Brayden says the answer is no. VM is IaaS, and then Brayden is saying that Azure is AWS goes much deeper. You need to know 60 plus service comparative to Azure. Oh, okay. So AWS services is quite a lot compared to Azure services.
I don't know the actual count.
Okay,
so I can't say
Same
it.
plus.
Yeah.
Okay, no problem. So we have one no.
Yeah.
So
So yeah. So the answer is no. Right.
The answer is no. Okay.
It says you are asked. You are tasked with deploying Azure Virtual Machine.
No,
So
okay.
remember, now we are not talking about EC2 instance. We are talking about virtual machine. So that is the name specific to Azure, right?
Okay.
They call their virtual machine
EC2
virtual machine.
Oh.
It's AWS that calls their virtual machine EC2 instance, right?
Okay.
So that is it. So yeah, it says you are tasked with deploying Azure Virtual Machine.
Okay.
Yeah. The answer is no. Yeah, you're right. It's no. For your company, you need to make sure. Make use of the appropriate cloud deployment solution. And it says the solution. So basically, the solution that would fit this question is you should make use of software as a service. Does this solution meet the goal? Right? So it's no. Virtual machine is infrastructure as a service, right? So now in the real exams, they're going to repeat this same question. That will be the next question.
Oh.
And then they will say infrastructure as a code. Is this the right solution?
Welcome, Nisha.
Right? And that will be yes.
Okay.
And they'll ask another one and say that using platform as a service, is this the solution or does it meet the goal? And that one would answer be no. Right?
Brayden, so you could get this exam in a weekend. Okay, Brayden.
That's true.
It did. It took about 3 weeks.
True.
Okay. Apologies, but yeah, I heard everything you said. Next question.
So the next question is asking the same
Welcome,
thing.
Emmanuel.
Infrastructure as a service. So yeah, so the correct answer is infrastructure as a
service. Okay.
So let's see. Okay, let's do this one here. Yeah, the question is lengthy for nothing, but
just to so you don't have to squeeze it. Welcome, Covenant.
Lengthy for nothing.
Yeah.
But at the end of the day, it's just yes or no.
Yeah.
But anyways, I think there's madness to it.
Yeah, I'm sure there is. If you're new here and you're not following, follow. So every day is a different exam topic. He goes through certification route for people new to IT. So Mondays, the schedule is posted on the page, but Monday is A plus, Tuesday is Network plus, Wednesday is Linux plus, Thursday is Security plus, Friday is AWS. No, Friday is Cloud Plus. Yeah. Saturday is AWS. Today, Sunday is Welcome Miracle, Microsoft Azure. And we go through questions domain by domain for people planning on taking the exam. So today you walked into Microsoft AZ exam question.
Yeah, that is the Azure fundamentals.
Got it. And if you've taken it already, it's supposed to be refreshing. If you're planning on taking it, you kind of see where you are with these questions, right? Oh, thanks for the follow.
And also know how the exams is structured.
Right. Okay. Oh, Brayden says something, I missed it. Oh, VMwares are deployed across all major cloud providers.
Virtual machines, yeah, it is. But yeah, but they have their own names. Yep, you're right.
Okay.
All
right. Well, answer.
Do you read?
Oh, am I supposed to know is the answer?
Okay,
Welcome.
This is the answer, okay.
Dan Coast Security. We have a no, then we have a yes. Okay.
Oh, no and no, yes. Is
what is
no
that?
And yes?
No. You want me to read it?
Yeah, if you can.
Okay.
I know it's a little
It is lengthy. What is this answer? Okay, right. All right, read fast. Your company is planning to migrate all their virtual machines to an Azure pay-as-you-go subscription. The virtual machines are currently hosted on a Viper-V host in a data center. You're required to make sure that the intended Azure solution uses the correct expenditure model. Solution: you should recommend the use of the operation expenditure or OPX model. Does the solution meet the goal?
What would you say?
Okay, I don't know about these guys. I'm not the IT person. If you're new here, he is. But I'm gonna go with majority as per usual. When it's not here yet, but okay. Final answer. The yeses are winning, so I'm going with yes. Okay, Kobna and Danco Security says yes.
Okay.
Brainix didn't answer. Brainix answered.
I thought I saw something.
I didn't see Brandon's answer, but okay. So
Yeah.
it looks like yes is the answer. Though.
Yeah, so the answer is yes.
The answer
right?
is yes. Okay.
So
Why is
with
it yes?
so with the cloud,
Mhm.
right? The model is pay as you go, right? So
Mhm.
basically, once you incur the cost, you make payments, right? So you
Okay.
don't have to bring any upfront cost or upfront capital.
Oh, you said that last
Exactly.
time. Okay.
But on premises, most of the time you have to have a budget and have an upfront capital before
Mhm.
you can start anything, right?
There are two
Um,
types. Okay.
So now
Mhm.
when it comes to on premises,
Mhm.
right, is CapEx,
Welcome,
capital
Hamad.
expenses,
Mhm.
right, versus in the cloud,
Mhm.
that is OpEx, which is operational expenses. So
Okay.
the expenses that you use to for the operation of the day-to-day business, right? So
Okay.
when you move to the cloud, it's a standard concept.
Yum yum.
It's a standard concept, right?
Okay.
When you move to the cloud, you are trading the capital expenses
Mhm.
for operational expenses.
Okay.
Always. I think we saw that in Cloud Plus.
Uh-huh.
We saw that in
AWS.
AWS as well,
Mhm.
and then we've seen that here.
Right. Okay.
So yeah, so that is it.
That
right?
is-
So that
okay.
is correct.
All right.
So any question that you see in relation to cloud and capital expenses versus operational expenses, most of the time we'll go
Oh,
operational
okay.
expenses.
Ahmad, this is your forte. Okay. Then the expertise is highly welcome.
All right, so let's see.
But keep in mind, this is the first domain. So this is going to be the easy questions.
It depends.
Oh, okay.
It depends.
I thought it was going to be easy, but okay. All right,
All
next
right,
question.
Let's
next
try
question.
this one.
Okay. All right, Kabina.
Next question.
Welcome, Carlos
about to
and
go
Jay.
sleep. All right, so let's minimize this a little. Okay.
All right. Your company plans to automate server deployment to Azure. There is a concern that administrative credentials could be exposed during deployment. Solution: you recommend Azure Information Protection. Does the solution meet the goal? I'm going to say yes. No. Is the Microsoft study material enough? Is the Microsoft study material enough to study for the AZ-900? I think it's subjective. Palvo, stop saying Palvo.
Yeah.
But maybe
yeah,
the people that also.
I would say it is, right?
Okay.
Azure specifically, it is.
Me too, Misha. I'm guessing.
However, like everything else, you also have to get the time to perform some sort of hands-on pertaining to
Hey, humble white guy.
what you learn, right?
Humble black guy. See?
With most certification, you can just do a steady steady material, and then you should be fine, right? But at the end of the day, you have to know it, right?
Mhm.
So the certification gets you into the interview room.
Mhm.
However, when you get to the interview room, that is when the
Welcome,
hands-on and the practice that you've done comes in.
No, we don't have a Discord.
Yeah.
You know, so I guess you're new here. I'm trying to make him an influencer, and I'm just tagging along. But he's a nerd, and long story short, we're now branching into him forming his community here. So we are on Twitch, but I didn't think of Discord, so I'm gonna write down and add it to the list. But anyway, so what's the answer?
So what do we get?
We have
got,
no. We have a lot of no's. Am I the
no.
only one to say yes?
Okay, no. All right.
Welcome,
so yeah.
Mayfair.
So the answer is no.
No.
Right. The answer is no.
Okay.
So who can tell me what services can we use here? So
Welcome,
it says
Solo.
your company plans to automate server deployment to Azure. There is concern that administrative credential, which is usually username and password or access keys, could be exposed during deployment. Right? Solution: you recommend Azure Information Protection. Does the solution meet
Welcome,
the
Uncle
goal?
Steve.
Right?
Okay.
So now, this is similar to AWS, right? You have to know what services is for what.
Okay.
It's for.
Got it. So Covenant took it 2 years ago.
Oh, okay. Cool.
So these questions looking familiar, or they looking new? I'm sorry, continue.
Yeah. So now it's saying that use Azure Information Protection, right? So now you have to know if Azure Information Protection is used or can be used to manage credential, right?
Okay. Brennis took it 6 months ago. Okay.
Who?
Brennis took it.
Oh, he took it. Okay,
6 months
okay.
ago. Okay. Certification authority or least privileged access. Just guessing. Okay. Misha, I don't think you're just guessing. I think you're just saying guessing, but you know the answer. I have the certification. I took it and hung it over and passed without issue. Oh, you took it hung over. Well, we don't recommend that. We don't recommend that. But okay. Welcome, Nigel Tech. Okay. Because the way that he's saying the exam is yes or no. But anyway, next question. If you answered the reason why you said yes already?
No.
Oh.
No. So yeah,
Who's
most of
calling
the AZ-900 questions are yes or no, right? Most
Okay.
of it. So which services in Azure do you guys think would help with this specific solution? So the concern is that the administrative credential could be exposed, right? So what services in Azure would be able to help you with more or less like a credential management? So KV. What is the full acronym for the KVM?
Who's Brandon? Oh, thank you, Nigel Tech. Appreciate it. KVM. And PKI. Misha, I knew you knew what you was talking about. Azure Key Value. KV. Okay. Azure Key Vault.
Key Vault. So yeah,
Okay.
so the name of the service is the Key Vault, right?
Okay.
Key Vault is the same thing as LastPass.
Oh,
right?
Are you guys familiar with LastPass?
Yeah, I think they are.
Oh, okay. I just learned it the other day. That's
it's the same concept, right? You keep username and password there for management, right?
Okay.
So now, even with LastPass, you can decide that, I'm going to give someone access to the password. However, they wouldn't be able to view it, right? So those are the controls that you have in place when it comes to the key management or Key Vault.
Got it. Nigel Tech says he works in cyber. He's a lead in CTI analysis and love this style of content. Keep teaching. Oh, glass.
Thanks.
What is CTI?
I
was like, what?
Is it threat intelligent?
Oh, fancy. Okay, next question.
All right, so it's a Key Vault, right?
Okay.
Yeah, that is.
Yep. Cyber threat intel. Oh, cool.
All right, so let's do this one.
I'm so curious what the day-to-day sounds like. It sounds like you're protecting the state.
Yeah, it sounds cool.
Right?
It is cool too. Yeah. This specific job role is not really for beginners. Let me know what you think.
For cyber threat intel.
Yeah.
Oh, like his career journey. How he got to where he
This
gets.
specific job role.
What do you mean
As
specific?
a beginner, you can't just take Security Plus and then get into it. But you can get into SOC analyst, right? Security analyst.
So you're saying if somebody wants to be a cyber threat intelligence, they can't just wake up and go take an exam and just be like, you can read that. You have to work your way there.
Yeah. Hold on. Did you answer the question that we have now?
This is the new one.
Kwabena?
Kwabena, like we're talking to my Kwabena. Next time, come for the other class, okay? All the classes. Come for all the classes.
All right.
Yeah, his role is specialized.
Yeah,
I figured. Sounds very specialized. Okay. Your company wants to migrate all data and resources to Azure. The migration plan states that the only PaaS solution might be used. Solution, you create an Azure App Service and Azure SQL database. Does this meet the goal? Yes or no? Oh. All right. I didn't even finish. Welcome, BM Puv. How are you?
Yeah, so this question is basically saying that, hey, do you know if these two services is platform as a service or software as a service or infrastructure service, right? Okay. So basically that is what it's testing.
Oh, we have one now. You on. Okay. Coming, where are you? I don't see your answer. Okay, so we have yes and no. Dun, 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 dun. I'm gonna go Google what cyber threat intelligence is, by the way. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, Covenant says going for no.
It's going for no?
So we have 2 yeses and 2 nos.
Unfortunately, Kwabena, it's a yes.
It's yes?
Yeah, it is yes.
Oh, okay. Well, I'm going to follow Hamad because Hamad works with this every day, he says. So. All right. And brain is so why is it yes?
Yeah, so
it's so beautiful.
So the Azure App Services and the Azure SQL database, they are all platform as a service, right? The Azure SQL database is a platform as a service for SQL database, right? Okay. And I think yesterday we did talk about in case you want to build 2022. You want to build a database, right? You can start from scratch by installing a virtual machine, and then you install the packages that would help you build a database. Or you can go for platform as a service, which basically means the cloud service provider is going to you can do or manage instance.
You can do the same with IaaS, with SQL, or manage instance of SQL, same thing.
Yeah, so from scratch. Yeah, but these two services are platform as a service.
Platform as a service. Got it. Okay.
Yeah. All right. So let's see.
So it looks like a lot of people have taken the AZ-900.
They took.
Because BM Puff says that he or she took theirs. 2022.
Okay. Cool.
Yeah.
I mean, why not? Yeah, it looks like a few people have taken the.
I would say majority.
The AWS, no.
Oh,
AWS,
yeah. People don't seem to like AWS. I don't know. Coming up. I feel like I'm flexing my shirt, as you should. You guys take. Let me tell you. I feel like if you take the time to take the exam and pass, you better flaunt. Okay. Flex it as much as you can. It's like a badge of honor because I know the studying that goes into it. I want to understand of multi-cloud. Okay, got it. This is the next question?
Yeah, so do you have any multi-cloud experience? I mean, you said you did the AZ-900, right?
Yeah, Brain is 6 months ago.
Yeah. So how about Azure? AWS. Did you?
Is this the next question?
Yes, that's the next question.
All right.
For Kwabena.
The migration plan plans only require PaaS solution. Solution, you create Azure App. For the solution, you create Azure App Services, Azure Virtual Machines with a Microsoft SQL Server installed. Does this meet the goal? Yes or no? Oh, Hamad has, I believe that means he has 3 Azure certs.
Okay.
Okay, so but no. Okay, it's the is the certification flexing zone, as you should.
Oh, okay. How was the Red Hat system administrator? How was it?
Okay.
I'm yet to take it. How was it?
I'm still in school for, yes, Brandon, I still remember you in school for cloud DevOps. Okay. Oh, Hamad has all of those. AZ. So it seems like I miss AZ by 15 points. Ah. Would you? So you're gonna retake it, or did you retake it? All right. What's the answer?
So
we had no's, and then we had. He said, "Nah, you don't need it anymore, huh?" No, I didn't see any yes. I think I've seen no. No. Okay, majority says no, which was like 2 or 3 people that answered no, but yeah.
All right.
What's the answer?
So the answer is no.
Okay.
So this is a follow up to the previous one, right?
Okay.
It says the migration plan requires only platform as a service, and it says the solution create Azure App Services, which is platform as a service. However, it says that Azure Virtual Machine with Microsoft SQL installed, right? So if you are creating virtual machine, that is for infrastructure as a service.
As a service. Right. Okay.
All right.
Very good. It was easy to understand. The Red Hat. Very good. It was easy if you understand Linux and drill out of command and script its performance.
Okay.
It's performance based. Think about our Red Hat, right?
Yeah.
Are you guys into Power Platforms and the PS? Is Power Platforms like Power BI?
Yeah, Power BI.
Oh, he loves some Power BI, but we're not talking about Power. It's not,
Power BI,
we don't have
Power
time.
Automate, Power Apps.
He loves some Power stuff. But seeing that this is a series for beginners for IT route, maybe I could talk about that later. Some because there's not enough days. Now that he's doing every day one of these certifications, all the days are taken up. Next question.
Right. So that is it.
Oh, did you explain?
Yeah. No, I did. Okay. So anytime you talk about virtual machine, it's infrastructure as a service. That's it.
Okay.
But this is saying that platform as a service. So
is now.
yeah. Although this first one here is a platform as a service, however, the second one is infrastructure. So both should do a platform as a service for this statement to be correct.
Welcome, Bill Kelly.
All right. So let's go to the next one here. All right.
And I feel like people, anyway, we talked about this anyway. Seems like more people do like this better than AWS because the comments are more lively. Yeah. AWS is like a ghost town.
I mean, some people like AWS, right? So.
All right. You plan to migrate a web application to Azure. The application is accessed by the external user. You want the minimized administrative effort. What should you recommend?
And this this might be a little tricky.
Why? Not for these people.
Yeah. So what if you I mean, after we answer, you can give your opinion as to why it is. Yeah, after you answer, we yeah, because this might be too different. But at the same time, if you know the answer, you would know why it's the answer.
Okay. Web application is clear. All right. If it's B, but C works for advanced application. Okay. I'm pretend I know what you're talking about. But, agreed. So it's between B and C. I shouldn't say that. Maybe somebody else has a different answer. Don't let the professionals bully you, okay? Because I don't know it either. Oh, okay. Hamad said it could be IaaS, which is C.
That is true.
Oh,
right?
which was what Brandon was saying as well.
Yeah,
right.
That is true.
Okay, that's what you meant by it's going to be a little tricky.
Yeah.
Okay, what's the answer?
So
welcome, Nate Butler Explains. How are you?
The answer is B. Right?
B. Okay.
The answer is B.
Okay.
So the question says that you You plan to migrate a web application to Azure. The application is accessed by external users.
Okay.
You want to minimize administrative effort. That keyword, minimize.
Okay.
Right? What should you recommend? If you use infrastructure as a service, guess what? You have to manage your operating system. So you have to select which operating system to use. You have to manage it. You have to install the patches. You have to do basically everything from the operating system level up, right?
Okay.
But with the platform as a service,
Identify as well. It says.
yeah. So with platform as a service, you don't really care about the underlying operating system. It's taken care of. It's taken care of by what the service provider, right?
Okay.
And that is where the share responsibility model is, right?
Okay.
So if you want to minimize administrative effort or overhead, then platform as a service is the ideal.
To go. Okay.
Yeah, so that is, so both the C and B would work. However, the question is saying that to minimize the administrative effort.
Okay. Ooh. Well, not me dropping the mic. Sorry. Brenus is saying that Polme and Terraform solves this as IAAC.
It solved this. Okay, so now you have to hire someone who has what? Terraform experience. That is extra overhead, right? They don't want to deal with that. So just go for platform as a service.
Okay.
Right. And that's what the minimum administrative effort is saying.
Got it. Yeah. Okay. Well, if you're new here and you're not following, follow. He does, as I go through my list, he does every day of the week is a different certification exam topics, different questions, just to prep people that are new into IT to get a better fundamental and better foundation. So Mondays is A plus, etc., etc. So the schedule's on the page. So whichever you find yourself in, you join whatever day. You're more than welcome to join every day as well. The goal is that by the time the year ends, hopefully you'll get 5 certifications if you don't have none of it yet. And if you're taking it already, it serves as a refresher. And if you're planning on taking it, it serves as a gauging mechanism to see where you are and if more practice is needed. That was that. Next question, please.
Okay. All right. So this one will also be a little.
I don't think it's saying it. Let them figure it out if it's gonna be hard or not.
Yeah. No, I don't think it's hard. It might be a little
tricky.
Yeah, tricky and 2 possible answers. Right.
I don't like that. What happened to the yes and no's that you said was gonna be here?
I mean, most of them are yes or no.
Okay.
Right? However, we also have
You kind of don't see it well.
Okay, hold on, one more.
No, a little bit more. Is this good?
Yeah. No, hold on. It's gonna change right now.
Okay.
It's a little delay.
Okay, I think it's good. Right there. A little up. You don't
see
the hybrid.
It went up.
Okay. All right.
Right there. Okay.
All right. You have an on-premise network that contains 100 servers. You need to recommend a solution that provides additional resources to your users. The solution must minimize both capital expenditure, CapEx, and operation expenditure. Answer option. Question for you. Okay, the whole point of infrastructure as a code is to get away from the ClickOps and save time in the dashboard.
Yeah, that is true.
So you know how, back to snowmobile, do these people have snowmobile itself too?
I'm not too sure. I have to look it up. I'm not sure if they have that
option.
I mean, it might not be called snowmobile specifically, but I probably have to look it up. Yeah.
Let me ask somebody and see. Well, does anybody know? You know how Amazon have the snowmobile to deliver? AWS has snowmobile to deliver. What did they give?
So if companies have a huge data, right, hexabytes of data, and they are unable to transfer it to what? Okay, Azure Box. Okay,
got it.
Yeah, all right, cool. Data box.
Data box. Okay, so we have D is the answer. I haven't heard from Kobina. He probably left. Okay.
So what's the answer for this? Okay, so
D. Brandon says D.
SSO, is it?
A. Oh, I'm about to say A. Dun, 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 dun. Okay. What's the answer?
Which one is the SSO?
Where
I think I might said SSO.
Oh, you need to
probably.
identify. I think it was something else. Yeah, I think it was something else. Yeah. Welcome, Michael. So we have D and A.
Okay.
Is it one of them?
Huh?
Oh yeah, so SSO was previous. Okay, we were
Okay.
talking about previous.
So yeah, so this is why I said it might be a little confusing. So
Mhm.
A and what?
D.
And D.
Mhm.
However, I would go for D, hybrid.
So is that the
Yeah.
answer?
I mean it's subjective, but let me explain.
It can't be subjective.
No,
on
it
the
can.
exam.
No, it can. It can. Yeah, it can.
Okay.
So this is my explanation, right? It says you have an on-premises network that contains
Welcome to
hundreds
V14.
servers, right?
Mhm.
You need to recommend a solution that provides additional resources to users.
Okay.
The solution must minimize both capital expenditure and then operational expenditure, right? So
Okay.
you need to minimize both,
Okay.
right? So the ideal answer might be, hey, A is perfect.
Mhm.
A complete migration to the cloud, right? Move everything to the cloud,
Okay.
right? That would be the ideal answer, right?
Mhm.
But if you do that, you have 100 servers, right?
Mhm.
If today you want to migrate 100 servers to the cloud right now,
Mhm.
right? You would have to have a substantial amount of money to do that, right?
Mhm.
However, with the D hybrid, you can still have whatever you have on premises
Mhm.
and then start moving it little by little to the cloud, right? So
okay.
that is the hybrid,
Okay.
right?
Okay.
So hybrid would reduce the what? The upfront cost that you might need for the entire move for the 100 servers. Yeah.
Versus so D versus A, complete migration to the public
Yeah.
cloud.
So
Okay.
if you move 100 servers straight up, you would.
I disagree 1,000.
I
Okay.
mean,
I'm not saying you pay as you go subs. Okay.
but however, if you move everything today, you pay as you go, right? So next month, when the bill comes, you have 100 servers running for 24 hours, 30 days, right? The bill might be 100,000.
Okay.
Right?
I mean,
So
if it's a corporation, they should know.
That
they
is
should have the
fine.
money
So
for it.
either ways, you still need that capital expenditure to pay for that 100,000,
Okay.
right?
Okay.
Versus, okay, I already have it on premises, right? It's working, it's fine. Why not move 2 at a time, right? And the cost might be, let's say, I don't
half
know,
the cost, well, fraction of the cost of what you
$100 a month, right? And then
Okay.
the next month you
move another one.
one,
Okay.
right? So yeah, that is my explanation, right?
Is this
But yeah, I said it's a little tricky.
a little
but
tricky?
I'll go for D.
It's okay. Sometimes we relate to it's cool.
Alright.
Say okay. So the data center bill for same is 150K. Don't forget the long-term cost for year, not monthly. Oh, okay. Welcome
for
camping.
data center, right?
Well, that's interesting. That's actually.
Yeah, but yeah, I will still
You
stick
stick
to
with
D.
D?
Yeah.
Okay, so
I'll
stick
stick
with
to
D and A. I really hope that anyway these exams anyway, but
Yeah, but as I said, it's a little tricky. A can be an answer, but I'm still
welcome
going
them.
to.
You stick with your guns. Hamad is sticking with his guns too, so we agree to disagree for this one. Welcome Campy 334,
Alright.
but anyway.
So let's see. Okay.
Brainus is saying next question. Yeah, monthly and quarterly cost is a cost optimization and FinOp. Welcome Fremballs, as I think I'm pronouncing it wrong. Okay, next question.
Alright, so this.
Oh, somebody said it yesterday to answer Viva's question. If you have your notification on when we come on, I think it will notify you.
Okay.
How many questions?
Let's try this one.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't have enough, but I can probably bring some.
Oh, but AWS, though you had enough.
Alright, so let's try this. Let's see how we do with this one. Alright, so let's. I'm gonna
Minimize them.
minimize it right
Okay.
now.
I would say that these ones is lengthy, like you said. Hamad is saying it also depends on the workload on premises versus
Yeah.
cloud.
Yeah.
That's true. So now my question is, with all these Hamad, are you saying this because you have experience? Because I'm wondering if the person that is taking the exam, right, if they don't have experience, do they think the way that you're thinking? As the person that has the experience and knows that, hey, these are what the outcomes can be, right? Because I'm wondering the same too. Many years ago. Yeah, okay. All right, you have to, where am I? That's the new one, right?
Yeah, that's
okay.
the new one.
You plan to migrate server servers from on-premises. Sounds like the same question. Server servers from on-premises network to Azure. You need to identify the primary benefits of using a public cloud service. Answer options are. They explain this in the learning materials. Oh, okay. Got it. There's a whole psychology behind it as well.
All right.
Welcome, NC Trucker. How are you? I haven't seen you in quite a while. I know people have lives, you know. All right, we have D. 2 D's in there. Okay, Brandon says D as well. Okay.
All right. So.
Oh, you just passed.
Wow,
Congratulations. Okay. We love that.
How was it?
That one is a security pass, right?
Yeah, SOC analyst.
SOC analyst.
Cybersecurity
cool.
analyst certification from CompTIA.
Hamad is saying multi-tenant architecture is what I would do. Architecture. Was that the part of the question?
No, I don't think it's.
Okay. So I guess he's adding to it. Okay, got it. So D. Okay, what's the answer?
Yeah, the answer is D.
It's D?
Right.
Okay.
So it says primary benefit of using the public cloud.
Okay.
Right? All right, so let's try this one too.
Oh, you're not going to explain the other ones? I don't think you're going to. It's Abraham. Welcome, Abraham. I don't think if you don't explain it, I don't think it's being fair to the people that are still learning it.
I mean,
because the Hamads and the.
I mean, that is fine.
And all of them, know this.
But I don't see. I mean,
they're not gonna ask question.
No, it's ideal, but I don't see anyone getting it wrong. So I'm like, okay, why not go to next one? If someone got it wrong, then we'll discuss those two. But
because you know how when you're in class in person and you know the smart people are there, you kind of feel a little intimidated. You could sit in the back and be like,
I mean, this is a safe place. I mean,
you could go and change get a fake account and come back.
Yeah.
Wasn't terrible. Going to take the pen test this month. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Awesome.
Pen test plus. All right.
Public cloud is cheaper. Oh, okay. Who's answer? Good. Wasn't terrible is always a good answer. Pen test. When did you take your pen test?
Oh, I don't remember.
Okay.
Probably, yeah, I think last year was way before I started the AWS campaign.
Oh, okay. Okay. How's the studying going for pen testing now? Anybody else taking new certifications? We're planning on taking new ones. I know Brainers has a few that he mentioned that he's studying for. Hamad, I don't think you mentioned any that if you're planning on taking it. Oh, wow. Straight to the point. Okay. What does a customer provide in a software as a service model? Oh, Terraform Associate and Red Hat. Okay.
Terraform is not that bad.
Brainers,
it's not that bad.
I think you'll be fine. The Red Hat, though. Okay.
Yeah, the Red Hat, I think you should talk to, what's his name?
Cool.
Was it? Someone said he took the Red. Oh, no, sorry, it's you. You're taking the engineer. Ooh,
yeah.
Okay.
It's an Ansible cert. Oh, okay.
Hold on. Is it all Ansible?
Which one, Terraform and
it's certified engineer. I think there's more to it than just Ansible.
Lots of tools to learn for pen test. Okay. Yeah.
All right. So the answer is A. Right.
Yeah.
Just the application data. Right.
Okay.
So I mean, you don't bring data storage. Right.
Okay.
You don't bring the compute resources, which is it's the cloud service provider that does that. application software. Software as a service is actually an application, so you don't really deal with that.
Okay.
So the only thing that you are concerned is just bring your the data that you're going to use for the application. So that is it.
Okay.
All right, so let's try this one. I think this one we saw a similar
Version of it.
version on AWS, but I don't know if it's the same thing.
Okay. Lots of tools to learn for pen test, and then Ansible roles and playbooks.
Okay, and that is it for the certified engineer. Just Ansible.
Lots of tools to learn for pen test. What kind of tools do you learn for pen test? I mean, it looks like your study method is working for your NC Trucker.
Yeah, any hacking tools.
Oh,
They have a list of tools that you need to know.
Okay.
Nmap, a few tools,
Okay. Brandon says, "Yep, you are deploying resources in the terminal." You didn't put the next question up.
No, that's the next question.
Okay. I didn't get the link in if I. Oh.
Oh, you didn't? All right, let me just add you to
You added him?
No, I think he pasted it.
Oh, okay.
Alright, so let me click on this.
I thought we don't click on links.
I know.
That's why he teaches me not to click on links, guys. So here we are.
I think I trust him.
I don't even know where to find you, but he trusts you, so we're gonna go from here.
Okay.
Hamada, what a picture! You look like you're modeling. Okay. All right. This is a safe link. Okay. Is the D is not showing, or is it not a part of it?
No, it's not part of it. It's not part of it. It's
okay.
Just those three.
Got it. All right. Oh, NC Truck is A. We have A. We have. Oh no, we have B.
B.
We have B. Okay.
Oh, so just B, right?
You have B so far.
Okay. All right. So the answer.
I'll be right back.
Okay.
Something burning.
You what?
Something burning.
Oh, okay. So the answer is. Okay, Michael said C. 2. So we have C, software as a service. You said, is it 2 A's and okay, C maybe
2 A's and a B.
What does that mean?
So he's giving us the tally. C maybe. Okay, what's the answer? What's the answer?
Alright, so the answer would be B.
B.
Yeah, B. Infrastructure as service.
Okay.
So yeah, I see that someone says C, maybe
A.
And A.
So you have to explain it, right?
So the key word here is legacy system. I think we've talked about we've talked about it, right?
Yeah, we have.
So most of the time the legacy systems that are built on premises, right? Let me give an example of a legacy system. There might be different versions, but in case maybe let's say you had Windows XP, right? And you hired a contractor to build an application for you, right? And they build the application and they customize it for Windows XP. So now if there's a new operating system out there, if you upgrade to the new one, your application will break. It wouldn't work, right? So that is an example of a legacy system, right? So most of the systems in the cloud uses modern and newer operating system. So you can't just migrate your system to platform as a service, right? You have to start from scratch by installing operating system. Okay, don't forget
the legacy system, which are grandfathered
in on premises, right? So with if you want to move a legacy system to the cloud, then you have to build it from scratch, right? So you have to create a virtual machine, and then install all the operating system and the packages, and then build it from scratch, right? You can't get a platform as a service that will support your legacy system, right? So most of the time, if you see the question that talks about legacy system, infrastructure as a service as well, it's an option.
You can lift and shift it, but it comes with its challenges. Like literally lift and shift it.
Yeah, literally. As is.
It's like one of the way you apply for the job and be like, can you lift up? I'm 30 pounds. You're like, yeah, you can lift up.
Alright, so let's do this. I think this might be an easy one. Yeah, very easy. Okay. I think that's already pasted the question.
Okay. Which cloud model includes on-premises and cloud-based resources? Oh, I know this one. Hybrid, public, private. He said you could use a refactor. Oh, to lift and shift.
So building, redesign the whole thing from scratch. Is that it?
But if you redesign it again, then technically it's not the same thing again, no?
I mean, it might perform the similar task. However, it comes with challenges. It would take a lot of time and money to redo it from scratch, right?
We have one answer, which is hybrid. I think Brandon is not answering this one. He's like, oh, this is too easy for me. And C Trucker didn't say nothing yet, but
okay.
I think hybrid is the answer for this one. It's only what I answered.
So yeah, so it's hybrid. This is an easy one.
Okay.
Let's try this one. This might be easy, depending on where you are, but yeah, I think it's okay.
All right. Okay. Which this looks like similar questions from, is it cloud or AWS? One of them.
I mean, it's the same thing. Yeah, okay. It's the same concept.
Yeah. Okay. Which cloud computing benefits would continuous users access to a cloud-based application with minimal downtime, agility, scalability, elasticity, and high availability?
Which one do you think the answer is?
Oh wow. Okay. I want to say between B and D. I was thinking B and D.
B and D.
I was thinking between B and D, only because scalability sounds right. But seeing the people are saying D, I'm gonna go with D.
Okay.
Hopefully the answer is D, but I'm really like, for some reason B sounds right to me.
B, scalable.
Yeah, being scalable, scalability. Okay, so what's the answer though?
The answer is D.
It's D. Oh,
yeah.
Okay. High availability.
Yeah.
Okay.
So scalability is you being able to increase.
Can I take this?
When the demand increases.
Okay.
But the question is saying that which cloud computing benefits provides continuous user access to a cloud-based application with minimum downtime, right? Downtime meaning it's not available. Right?
Okay.
If something is down, it's not available. So with minimal downtime, it's high availability, right?
Azure Data Studios and SSMS, modern tools that support connection to both legacy and cloud SQL versions. Oh, cool! So it's like it bridged the gap, and then you can also use a zone redundancy. Okay.
But it also comes with
its limitations.
Cost,
yeah.
right?
Oh, cost, and I'm sure with limitations as well. But I mean, as long as the option is there, maybe better than nothing. SSMS is good for me. Okay, cool. Cool. This is the next one. Right?
Yeah.
Okay. Which cloud service model minimizes the management responsibility of a customer? Oh, I know we talked about something like this yesterday. Which cloud service model minimizes the management responsibility of a customer?
Minimizes.
Minimizes
right?
the
Yeah,
Okay, I know for sure it's not gonna be A.
Okay, at least.
That's what I learned yesterday. So I'm stuck between B and C. But I'm gonna go with B because they're saying B, but then because it makes sense. But I'm not sure, so we're gonna wait for the answer.
Oh, B. Okay,
Isn't that
so
B?
B.
Because honestly, I was thinking C,
Mm-hmm.
but I'm gonna go with B because that's what the experts are saying. Right? That's what I'm saying.
C as well.
Yeah, because if it's minimizing the responsibility of the customer. It's not talking about the cost.
No, it's not talking about cost. Not talking about anything else.
Just the responsibility.
Exactly. Right.
Okay, what's the answer?
The answer is C.
C.
Right?
Okay.
So with the as-a services, right? If you go in for infrastructure as a service, you have to, as the customer, you have to basically perform multiple or many of the tasks, right?
Okay.
If you go for platform as a service, you are responsible for a few of the task or shared responsibility. However, when you go for software as a service, all you need to bring is your application data. That's it, right? So software as a service minimizes, or it's the service that minimizes customers for responsibility or overhead.
Says I don't want to deal with patches and VM, so then give it to the vendor to match it.
That's it, right? And at the end of the day, like everything else in technology, it comes with its challenges and risk, right? All right, so let's try this one here. I think I'll probably have like one more after this. Let's minimize this. All right.
In the infrastructure as a service, in the infrastructure as a service, cloud service model, which two components are the responsibilities of the cloud service provider? Oh, choose two.
Choose one. Which one would do you know for sure?
For sure. Wow.
Which one? Look through the answers. Which one? Just one. E.
E for sure.
Right? So the keyword is physical. You have, as the end user, you have no control over the physical device.
Right.
That's it. So that should be a given.
I know the A, but clearly I can't just get one right. So,
I mean,
but choose two.
Yeah, choose. It says choose two.
Yeah, choose two. They're not gonna give me 50%. You said right? They're not gonna be half a point.
I think they would. With
they would.
They would tell you. I think they would tell you.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Okay. Note each. Yeah, 1 point. They'll give 1 point.
Oh, okay, good. That's fair. C and E. Okay, yeah. C and E. Welcome Red Detail. I don't know if I said that already. If you're not following, follow. All right. I go with the experts here, so C and E, because I know E for sure.
Yeah, so that is it, right? I mean, physical security and the hardware. You don't even see the hardware, so it makes sense.
Okay.
All right, so let's see. This one is a good one.
Okay.
And I think this would tie back to what was it Ahmed?
Ahmad.
Someone was talking about
what?
Lift and shift.
Oh, it was Ahmad. Yeah, it was Ahmad.
Yeah, let's see. Hopefully.
If it's on-prem, data center is all of the above. Oh, really? Okay. All right. You need to migrate on-premise server by using lift and shift migration. To which type of cloud service should you migrate? Oh, I think it's A.
It's A?
I think it's A because I mean you can't be lifting and shifting software, right? Or is A or C? I'm gonna go with A. Am I wrong? Why are you laughing? Because it's the only thing that makes sense physically. Because if we're talking about if we say that infrastructure is always going to be physical, you're not physically lifting. You can't physically lift and shift something in the cloud, can you? Yeah. I mean, it depends who you're asking. There's kind of questions, anyway. Because technically you can, fine. But I'm sticking with, okay, I might agree. A. Doing just blindly. What I'm asking, it could be wrong. Not the expert doing blindly.
I mean,
leave it to us.
Yeah, no. Everybody is subject to get something wrong, right?
That's very true.
Especially in technology, because things change all the time, right?
Mm-hmm.
So you might think that this is how it's done, but then a new way will come tomorrow, right? So, and that's why tech is always continuous
learning,
right?
Okay.
You
always have to plug that in there. Okay, what's the answer though?
Oh, sorry, it's A. It's
okay, it's A.
Right?
Okay.
Yeah, A. So lift and shift. So.
All right.
So yeah, infrastructure as a code. So basically, infrastructure as a service. So basically, you build a virtual machine, and then basically and then most of the on-premises system even works on virtual machine, right? So you can just migrate your virtual machine straight to the cloud. So that's the lift and shift. Migrate. Okay, and recovery service.
Oh, so it's not physical lifting?
No,
Oh.
no.
Okay.
Okay, I just migrate.
Okay.
Yeah. Alright, so those are the services.
Okay, got it.
Alright, so let's try this last one for the day.
Okay, it's been an hour. One of these days we have to do. Last time, when it comes to security, we do more than an hour. So I was gonna say one of these days you need to go more.
Alright.
Okay. So which type of cloud services can you install an operating system? Are we choosing two or just one?
Just one.
Why is there too many questions? I mean, answer choices.
I mean, yeah, usually it should be like,
Yeah.
if it's E, then select two, but it didn't say select two. So.
That's too many answers tonight. I feel like one can be more than one. Okay, which other type of cloud services can you install on an operating system?
Which one do you think the answer is?
I want to say C.
C is software as a service.
Yeah.
Okay, which?
Oh, there's more. Hold on.
Okay.
E.
E.
I want to say
Platform as a service and software as a service.
Ooh. Okay, we have an A. Okay. I'm just tapping away.
All right, so
What's the answer?
the answer is A.
Oh,
right?
okay.
So it says that to which type of cloud service can you install an operating system? Right. The only as a service or cloud service that you can install an operating system as well is virtual machine. Right.
Okay.
So infrastructure as a service. So, yeah, that's building a virtual machine and installing an operating system and all that. All right. You said these questions are old.
Really? How old?
Can you define old?
Right. Right.
I mean, it might be old to you, but it's new to other
experts.
people.
Windows Server on Unix or IaaS. Okay.
All right, so I think that should be all. Ahmed, I did send you
the request.
So whenever you get a chance.
I'm sure it's old to you, but it's still the same fundamentals.
Exactly,
right?
right? It's still the same fundamentals
that they will need.
All right.
See you tomorrow. Thanks for joining. Tomorrow is A+. We are in the second domain for A+, right? Should be.
Yes.
Second domain for A+. So if you need a refresher or plan on taking A+, we are your people on Monday.